has been invited into this house on this floor to move a motion on the State of National Address by His Excellency William Ruto, the President and Commander-in-Chief of the Kenyan Defense Forces. Mr. Speaker, is Senator Boni in order to use this precious time of this wonderful house to discuss village politics and bullfighting? You know, Mr. Speaker, it's very disappointing because focus on what the president said. If you cannot understand what the president said or you don't have the confidence in defending it, then just sit down. The members of the House will help you because you're even confusing the entire nation.
Senator Eddy, what is your point of order? You're not supposed to give a speech.
Yeah, but Mr. Speaker, I wanted to find Senator Boni out of order to bring irrelevant issues and village politics in presidential speech. Let him move this speech and let him defend it as the majority whip. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Senator Eddy, one of the aspects as contained in that particular speech by the president are the freedoms we enjoy, including the freedom of speech. And that's why Senator Boni was giving an example. He's quite in order to do that. Proceed.